I'll be right back. I think Rhonda's doing double duty today
Oh, is she?
because Sam's gone.
Oh, well, yeah, he was gonna go see his daughter in Arizona. Yeah.
So he could have, gone. Just kidding. So she will be running around. Everybody piling in. So
Call cannot be.
right, Mr. Daggermer goes in. I'm calling for Miss Walden now. Okay, and that's all you have, right?
Yeah.
Can you have radio?
Is that what you said?
No, I don't have. They have different radios.
He's probably putting somebody in a room. He's booking, just transfers me up. That worked. So if I they just hung up on me. So if I just tell booking the radio, they will.
Okay, just call booking so you can get hold of it before you need.
Okay. Okay. Good morning. This is Judge Anslone. I've been trying to reach transport, and I know they're probably busy, but I only have one I have one inmate today I need to see, and I was wondering if you could radio them. to let him know?
Oh, you're trying to reach the middle floor?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, you said transport, I'm like transport.
Or I'm sorry, I
Okay.
meant middle floor, but
I
Kayla,
got you down for 3, who do you?
well, I only need Kayla Walden today. The other two got adjourned.
Walter, the only one there?
Yep, Miss Walden, yep.
Okay, I will call up there and have them get her around for you.
All right, thank you.
You're welcome. Bye.
Bye. Okay, Mr. Daggerman goes in. Looks like I got the jail.
Morning, Your Honor.
Good morning.
Ms. Walden for you to start off?
Yep, yep. And the other two, Mo and Montmeyer, I won't need today.
Yes, ma'am, understood.
All right, thank you.
Thank you.
Your Honor,
Yes, Miss Teskey.
you told the jail that you didn't need what, Montemayor or Mo, M-O-E?
So Mo is not on the docket. They had some paperwork previously that had scheduled it for today a while back, but it's not on my docket, so
Okay.
you don't need to
I
worry
just
about that.
I want to keep up with crossing them off.
No problem.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Mr. Brandt, good morning.
Good morning, Your Honor.
I do not yet have your client logged in, so I will let you know when he logs in.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
I did talk to him yesterday. He knows about today's date and time, so.
Okay, great. Thank you. All right, let's see. Ms. Walden, let me grab your file. All right, this is in the matter of the people of the state of Michigan versus Kayla Ray Walden, file number 2025-22101 FH. I have Michael Dagger Margosian appearing on behalf of Miss Walden. This is the date and time set for arraignment in this matter. Mr. Dagger Margosian, I also, and I have Isaac Sneed appearing on behalf of the people. Mr. Dagger Margosian, I do want to disclose that Mr. Coast, who is our pretrial services coordinator, did a pretrial assessment on January 9th, states that Ms. Walden is in jail currently on a $10,000 bond and serving 93 days for contempt of court in district court. She did score a 9 on the assessment, which is actually the highest you can score, indicating that she is highly likely to be arrested while out on bond and not likely to appear for court. He does not recommend a bond reduction at this time. But so do you waive the reading of the felony information, Mr. Dagger Margosian?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, and do you have a copy of the prosecutor's request for discovery and witness list?
Yes.
And how do you wish to proceed today?
Your Honor, for today's court hearing, we're going to be pleading not guilty, but we are in the process of getting Ms. Walden screened for recovery court. But before we do all that, or I guess after, I just want a moment to speak with her, if that's okay.
Of course, that's fine. All right, I am going to enter a plea of not guilty on your behalf, Ms. Walden, and then Mr. Dagger Margosian help her out. Would you like a pretrial conference?
Well, I think that she is going to be screened today, so I'd ask for a short adjournment or short time to set the pretrial, so maybe 2 weeks.
Ms. Teskey, do we have her to be screened today, and is she being addressed at our team meeting tomorrow?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, how about January 22nd or January 29th, Mr. Dagger Margosian?
22nd is fine.
All right, we will set this over for another pretrial on January 22nd at 8:30 a.m. And Ms. Walden, I'm going to open up a breakout room for you and your attorney. When you're done, you can just shut down the Zoom and return, okay?
Thank you, Your Honor.
Can you say, did you say yes, ma'am? Did you say yes?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, we didn't catch the audio. I just need to know you could hear me. All right. There you go. Go ahead and join that breakout room. All right, I got Rodney Hill, I got Brian Fry. So Mr. Brandt, let me get Mr. Hill. File.
Good morning, Your Honor.
Good morning, Mr. Hill. Let me grab your file. All right, this is in the matter of the people of the state of Michigan versus Rodney Lamont Hill, file number 2024-21703FH. I have Douglas Hartung appearing on behalf of the people, and I have Alfred Brandt appearing on behalf of Mr. Hill. This is the date and time set for a pre-trial conference in this matter. I'm sure you guys already did a stipulation in order for today's date, or I did or something, but we're a little behind on our filing. So this is the date and time set for a pre-trial. So Mr. Brandt and Mr. Hartung, how would you like to proceed on behalf of Mr. Hill?
Your Honor, on behalf of Mr. Hill, Mr. Hartung has made an offer. I've had a chance to review it with Mr. Hill. We had our investigator go out and do some work. I think we're at a point where this matter is going to be resolved in the very near term. What Mr. Hill has asked me to do in light of Mr. Hartung's offer is to meet with the court briefly as to what that would mean for him. I am more than willing to come down and meet with the court in person and Mr. Hartung, or we could do it by Zoom, but Mr. Hill has asked me to do that, and I think it's appropriate. So
Mr. Hartung and Mr. Brandt, our public defenders, we have one on vacation today, so I have a little bit of a delay and I don't actually have a heavy docket. I could put you and Mr. Hartung into a breakout room and go join that breakout room off and have a bench conference today, if you would like.
That's fine with me, Your Honor.
That's fine.
Mr. Hartung? Okay.
Sure, that's great.
So I'm gonna put the courtroom in the waiting room, so it'll go mute, and then I'm gonna open up a breakout room with my assistant, and then I'll go back to her computer. Mr. Hill, you just bear with us, all right?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, we are, let's see, oh, Mr. Brandt. I'll get Mr. Brandt back. Mr. Hartung, did I lose you? No, I must have lost Mr. Hartung. Oh, there he is. Okay, so we are back on the record with Mr. Hill. I have had an opportunity to speak with Mr. Brandt and Mr. Hartung. I am going to set this over to next week, January 21 at 3 p.m. Obviously, that'll be via Zoom to accommodate everybody. And we will see you back on that day, January 21 at 3 p.m. And Mr. Brandt's going to do the notice of hearing. Is there anything else we need to address?
No, Your Honor.
Oh, Your Honor.
All right, thank you, Mr. Hill, Mr. Brandt, and Mr. Hartung. You have a good day.
You too,
Thank
ma'am.
you.
Thank you. All right, so Mr. Fry, got so many prosecutors and Mr. Fry. All right, so I do have Brittany for Mr. Fry, so I'll bring her in.
Okay.
I had Brittany for, actually I had her and now I don't. Let me see. Is that the only one you had today?
I think my only one with you, Your Honor.
You know what? I swear that she was in my waiting room earlier and now she's not.
Okay.
Do you want to reach out to her?
Yeah. Thanks.
Thank you. Send a message to the waiting room. Good morning, we will be with you shortly. Thank you for your patience. I got her back, Mr. Fry. Thank you. All right, Miss Walden, you were all set. So you're all set. You can go. All right, Miss Four, good morning. How are you?
I'm okay.
All right, I'm gonna grab your file. This is in the matter of the people of the state of Michigan versus Brittany Four, file number 24-21993FH. I have Isaac Sneed appearing on behalf of the people, and I have Brian Fry appearing on behalf of Miss Four. The first issue is I don't have a record of fingerprints yet. So an order for fingerprints was sent out back in November. Miss Four, have you gone to the Michigan State Police Post and had your fingerprints done?
No, honestly, Your Honor, this is me taking accountability. I completely forgot. I've been in treatment since May.
Okay, are you still in inpatient program?
I do outpatient, but I'm living in sober living in Ann Arbor, and I don't have a license.
Okay, so all right, so Miss Four, perhaps there is a Michigan State Police Post, I believe, in Ann Arbor. So it may be a matter of seeing if they will do that. I don't know if you can help her with that process, Mr. Fry. But we're gonna need prints. So, Mr. Fry, how do you wish to proceed today?
Guess I'll talk to my client about that, Your Honor. Thank you. Your Honor, so as far as today goes, we'd be requesting if the court was willing another adjournment. I need to talk to the prosecutor a little bit more about this. I just got on the case recently. Ms. Hennigan had previously been the attorney. And there's still a couple things I need to follow up with the prosecutor as well as outside. I don't want to put it on the record, but there's a couple other things to follow up on.
So I have February 12 at 8:30 available.
That will work, Your Honor.
All right. So Ms. Four, I'm going to set this over for pretrial on February 12 at 8:30 in the morning, same Zoom number. I appreciate it, and I'm very glad that you were able to complete the inpatient. You are in sober living now. I know it's a lot of work. So just keep it up. You're doing a good job. And Mr. Fry, you can do the stip in order to adjourn.
I will do that, Your Honor. Mr. Sneed, could I sign your name with permission to that stip in order?
Yes, please.
Thank you.
All right, very good. Thank you, Ms. Ford. Good luck.
Thank you.
Thank you, Your Honor.
All right, thank you. All right, Mr. Sneed, I don't have any other defense attorneys at this point. I do have a probable cause hearing that was scheduled for Miss look, I gotta read this. So I do have a probable cause hearing that was set at 8:15 in the morning. I'm gonna guess that I gave him a copy in person. So this is in the matter of the people, oh, look, I got Mr. Murphy, the people of the state of Michigan versus Vincent M. Inclan, file number 24-2619 FY. This is the date and time scheduled for a probable cause hearing. I do have a criminal scheduling order that I prepared, setting it for today. And there was also a notice of, well, no, and I would have given that to him because I think he appeared in person. He did appear in person. I did personally serve him with a notice for today. I've not seen his name in the jail. I can verify whether or not he's in custody, Mr. Sneed, but he is not present today. So let me call the jail.
What kind of jail?
Hi, this is Judge Anselone again. I have a question. Do you know if you have a, well, you would know, do you have Vincent Inclan, INCLAN, in custody?
Inclan? No.
Okay, thank you. Bye. So, Mr. Sneed, he is not in custody, he's not in the courtroom. Do you want to check the hallway maybe? As I said, I gave him personal service and he has failed to appear. So, Mr. Sneed, how would you like to proceed today?
Your Honor, may I just verify first that this is District Court File 242619 FY?
Yes, sir.
Okay, understand. The people would request a bench warrant for his failure to appear.
All right. Okay, so I'm gonna look at this file again. So Mr. Inclan is charged with, let me double check. Next to district court files. So he is charged with, what's he charged with? There's gotta be a felony information in this file. I just don't know where they are. What's he charged with, Mr. Sneed? I have domestic violence third. Is it anything else?
No, it is not, Your Honor. That's the only charge I have. Thank you.
Oh, there's an information. All right. I'm going to issue a bench warrant for his arrest and I'm going to set bond in the amount of 25,000 cash as surety. Obviously, if he contacts the court today, I do hold those for 48 hours as required. We can reschedule this. Otherwise, it will be signed. Thank you, Mr. Sneed.
Thank you, Your Honor.
All right, I have Mr. Murphy. So, Mr. Murphy, let's find out who you got. Murphy, you have Justin Wyrick, and he is in my waiting room, so we'll start with him. Justin Wyrick, if you could unmute your device and start your audio, please. All right, excellent, thank you. So this is in, and it's Wyrick or Wyrich?
Wyrick.
All right, I was right, okay. So this is in the matter of the people of the state of Michigan versus Justin Christopher Wyrick, file number 24-22066FH. I have Isaac Sneed appearing on behalf of the people and Matthew Murphy appearing on behalf of Mr. Wyrick. This is the date and time set for a pretrial conference. Mr. Murphy, how do you wish to proceed today?
Your Honor, I spoke with Mr. Bayanetto, or communicated with Mr. Bayanetto about this case yesterday.
I'm sorry, Mr. Bayanetto is here on this case. I'm sorry. Thank you. Go ahead, Mr. Murphy.
We're asking for an adjournment in this matter. Mr. Bayanetto was asking for that as well. He wanted to assess Mr. Wyrick's performance while he's out on transitional housing And then, we might readdress the plea offer at that time. So I'm asking for an adjournment in this matter, for a few weeks or whatever fits the court schedule best.
Any objection, Mr. Bernetto?
No, Your Honor.
All right, so let's see, we will set this for February 19 at 8:30 in the morning, February 19 at
Yes, Your
8:30 in
Honor.
the morning. And
Thank you.
Mr. Murphy, can you do the stip in order to adjourn?
Yes, Your Honor, my office will do that stipulation in order.
All right, so very good. So Mr. Wyrick, we'll see you
Yes,
back
ma'am.
on that day. You can do via Zoom, obviously. And good luck to you in transitional housing, all right?
Thank you so much, ma'am.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
Thank you, Mr. Wyrick. I'll be in contact with you, okay?
Okay, thanks, Mr. Murphy.
Yep, thank you.
All right.
All right, so Mr. Murphy, that is all I had for you today. The rest of my cases show that I have Miss Underwood and she must be still in front of Judge Olsaber.
Yes, Your Honor, thank you. I'm gonna log off now.
You can go,
I'll get
hold on,
back.
everybody. Mr. Wyrick, you're all set. You can go.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
Mr.
I'm
Wyrick.
sorry. Go ahead, Mr. Murphy.
I was gonna log off now. I might be back if, I need to cover something, but thank you, Your Honor. You have a good day.
Okay, thank you. All right, Miss Brenner, I don't know if you have anything in front of Judge Olsaber. Miss Underwood is handling Mr. Malaro's cases as well as hers, so she's in front of Olsaber, I think, right now.
Yeah, I was just over there with her, Judge, so she's wrapping those up and I did mine, so I'll just wait for her to come over here.
Okay, great. Thank you.
Thank you.
I'm just waiting on Miss Underwood. She literally has everything else. So I'm gonna wander him back.
Good morning, may I help you?
Oh, I've been here this whole time.
Oh, I'm sorry, okay, that's fine.
No, you're good. I just had to go for a walk.
Oh, okay, all
It's
right,
been so long.
okay. Are we hearing somebody, or are we waiting, you're Miss Reinhardt?
Yes.
Okay, all right, thank you.
Oh, yeah.
I'm sorry.
So,
Sure, go ahead. Yeah, go ahead. Yeah.
just want to make sure.
Yep, no problem. It's okay. I'll let the judge know you're just going to the restroom, okay?
All right, thank you.
You're welcome. Are we done?
There's one down the hall.
Oh. Okay. Let's see. Mr. Frazier and Miss Underwood are with us. So let's get them in. All right, Ms. Runner, I'm gonna try to take yours first, so.
Thanks.
See, it's Jose Lerma. Miss Underwood, if you could start your video for me.
Oh, I apologize, Your Honor.
This isn't working. Can we take a break?
Oh, we gotta pause for a minute. So
Thank
Miss
you.
Faith can start her computer.
I totally get it, Your Honor.
Okay, everybody stop talking for just a moment. What'd you say?
You might want to ask Miss Evans to come in. My mouse is working. Oh, no, I just thought. My mouse is.
Well, Becky,
Oh, wait, no, just, there it is.
never mind.
Thank you, Judge. Your presence is just.
It's all it needed. It's that judicial presence to make the mouse work. Okay, so. All right, so in the matter of the people of the state of Michigan versus Jose Angelo Lerma II, file number 24-21906FH. I have Brenda Underwood appearing on behalf of Mr. Lerma, and I have Ms. Brenner appearing on behalf of the Attorney General's office. I do not have Mr. Lerma, nor has he appeared this morning at all. Have there been any payments made, Ms. Brenner?
No, Your Honor, and you had instructed him at the last hearing that you expected to see him making his monthly payments in November and December. I would be requesting a bench warrant at this time.
What is the amount owed on his arrearage?
$21,803.76.
Is that a current charging case?
Yes, Your Honor, it's charging at $517 a month. Looks like it just dropped in January. It was $542 last month.
All right, Ms. Underwood, do you have anything to add?
Your Honor, I would add that Mr. Lerma, this morning contacted our office. When I tried to call him back, there was no response. Other than that, I have no knowledge.
Okay, well, I hold bench warrants for 48 hours, so obviously if you can reach him.
Thank you.
That would be great, but I am going to issue a bench warrant for his arrest. I will set bond in the amount of $21,804 in cash. And if he gets a hold of you, we'll just schedule him in and I can quash that bench warrant until further discussion, all right?
Thank you.
All
Thank you,
right,
Your Honor.
Ms.
We'll
Brenner,
prepare
thank
that.
you. All right, thank you.
I have Mr. Wallace as well, Judge.
Okay, so this is kind of weird. Mr. Wallace is in court all the time with me. He always appears. I've never, ever had Mr. Wallace not appear for stuff. So he was just in court with me twice last week for like not criminal cases. So in the matter of the people of the state of Michigan versus Benjamin Ray Wallace, file number 22-20838FH, Brenda Underwood appearing on behalf of Mr. Wallace and Sarah Brenner appearing on behalf of the Attorney General. So as I said, well, I show he was making payments. And as I said, he appeared for a couple, non-criminal, just normal civil matters last week. I don't think he's absconded. So is he still making payments, Ms. Brenner?
Yes, Your Honor, and I had spoken to Ms. Underwood about this case yesterday, and I had told her I would agree to an adjournment to give him additional time because I believe he's the one who's a firefighter, so we're just keeping the payments rolling. So I'm not going to request a bench warrant for him since he's making such great payment efforts. If we could just adjourn this out again, and then Ms. Underwood can get in touch with him for our next hearing.
Just a normal adjournment, Your Honor. I think 60, 90 days would be fine.
Who knows? He could be in California at this point. All right, I'm gonna set this out to April 9 at 8:30 in the morning.
Yeah, if he's in California, that would be terrible, but good that he's helping.
Well, there's a lot of people volunteering. So, all right, so we'll start one over. Miss Underwood, you'll do the step in order to adjourn.
I would be happy to, Your Honor. Thank you.
Miss Brenner,
Thank
I
you.
do believe that will take care of everything.
Yes, Your Honor. Thank you. Have a good day, you guys.
You too, thank you. All right, so Miss Edmonds was here, so I'm gonna go to Miss Edmonds. All right, Miss Edmonds is, wait, where'd she go? There she is, she's joining, she's stuck. Miss Edmonds, can you hear me?
I can hear you.
So this is in the matter of the people of the state of Michigan versus Christina Edmonds, file number 24-21983FH. I have Ron Underwood appearing on behalf of Miss Edmonds. I have Isaac Sneed appearing on behalf of people. I do have okay, a motion affidavit and or order to show cause from December 9th of 2024 that was filed by Mr. Coase stating that Miss Edmonds failed a drug test 2 times a week after being released from inpatient treatment at Salvation Army in November of 24. I have an updated letter from Darren Coast for our pretrial services coordinator dated January 13th, saying Miss Edmonds is doing okay with her testing. She missed December 22nd test and was positive for THC and alcohol on December 26th. She was negative for all substances on December 29th, but positive for THC on her next 2 tests. Miss Edmonds, you can't use marijuana until you provide a medical marijuana card to Mr. Coast. Do you understand?
Yes, I got my card and I've been sick all last week. I was taking NyQuil and I don't know if it has alcohol.
Miss Edmonds, yeah, whatever. You can email it, screenshot it, text it.
Okay.
I mean, you can get that to Mr. Coast, so I'm not gonna accept any other excuses. So Miss Edmonds.
I can bring it down there. I don't have an
Okay,
email.
you know, just wear a mask. If you've been sick, it's fine. So, Miss Adams, how do you wish to proceed today? I'm sorry, Miss Underwood.
Your Honor, can I talk to Ms. Edmonds briefly?
Yep. Briefly, because I know that you're doing double duty today and I've got a bunch of people here. Okay, so let me find my breakout rooms. So,
Judge, can I join that breakout room temporarily too?
sure. So Mr. Coast wants to just briefly talk to Miss Edmonds before you talk to her. So let me do this. Okay, so I'm going to assign Christina Edmonds, Rhonda Underwood, and Darren Coast to a breakout room. And then if you want to come on up, I'll take you next, okay?
Oh, shit.
Did you click join? No. Miss Edmonds, you figured out? Oh, she's in transit. You can have a seat right there. It'll be a minute. right, let me close that breakout room. Maybe. I will bring her back. Miss Adams, I think Mr. Glazier, is Mr. Collins still in jail? I think Miss Adams, Darius Collins is in custody.
As far as I know, Your Honor,
I'll check, Judge.
Yeah, he is. I put him there. So, okay, so we're back on the record with Miss Edmonds. Miss Underwood, how would you like to proceed today?
Your Honor, we would like to request another pretrial for Ms. Edmonds. Probably not too far in the future, Your Honor.
All right, I'm gonna set this over to February 12th at 8:30 in the morning. Miss Underwood, can you do the stip in order to adjourn?
I would be happy to do that with Mr. Sneed's permission.
All right, Miss Edmonds, you're here on multiple charges, one of which is a controlled substance charge. You need to get that medical marijuana card, a valid one, to Mr. Coast. If not, I will remand you if you continue to use, okay?
Yes, I have one. I'm gonna get it to him today.
Okay, very good. Thank you, Miss Edmonds.
Yep.
All right, we're all set. Miss Underwood, you can do the stip in order to adjourn.
Yep.
All right, Miss Underwood, I have Miss Reinhardt here in person. So in the matter of the people of the state of Michigan versus, get her file, Bridget Susan Reinhardt, file number, hold on a second, 21. Okay, 21-20279FH. Reverend Underwood appearing on behalf of Mr. Malaro today. This is the date time set for a violation of probation. Let's see. So this is a probation violation pretrial. Ms. Underwood, there was a violation of probation sentencing recommendation received that said basically she still owes fines, costs, and restitution, which is like $52,725. At that time she had paid up, and it was from October 30th. At that time she had paid like $100. She's supposed to be paying $200 to $100 a month, and hasn't been doing so. Have you been making payments, Ms. Reinhardt?
Kind of hard to do right now. I just got lowered on my hours at work. I'm working 20 hours a week. Today I'm going to look for another job. My father almost died in March. We almost lost our house. It's been quite a struggle.
I get that, and I understand it's hard, but you know, in this case,
I need to make the payments, and I understand that.
You know, you're looking at a potential, you know, this is embezzlement. This is a very serious charge. They offered you a really good plea offer down to a misdemeanor.
Absolutely.
If you got to get 3 jobs, get 3 jobs. I mean, everybody does it at some point in their life. All right. So, Ms. Underwood?
I would ask for an adjournment of perhaps 6 weeks, Your Honor, and see how we can get Ms. Reinhardt's employment stabilized and payments coming in, Your Honor.
Let's set it out to March 12th at 8:30 in the morning. Ms. Adams, can I get a notice of hearing from Ms. Reinhardt? So we'll set it out to March 12th at 8:30 in the morning. And Ms. Reinhardt, you got a really good deal here.
I don't want to mess it up.
And you're looking at a year in jail. So, you know, if you got to wash dishes one night at one restaurant, whatever, you got to figure it out. And it's hard. Everybody's going through stuff, but you know, there is a victim in this case. So, all right. Thank you. Have a seat right there and we'll get you a notice. Okay. All right. Mr. Glazier, we're going to get Mr. Collins from the jail. All right, Miss Underwood, I have Sky Shantindo and Adam 9. Both of them have been patiently waiting, so that's great. Let's get Mr. Tindo next. Mr. Tindo, if you want to go ahead and unmute your device and start your video.
Yes, ma'am. My video won't start. I'm on this laptop. My laptop screen is broke.
Okay, I recognize your voice. How you doing?
Yes, ma'am. I'm good. I'm good. How are you?
I'm good. I'm good. All right. This is in the matter of the people of the state of Michigan versus Sky Shun Deshaun Tyndall. We have two files, 20-20027FH, 22-20717FC. Today I have Rhonda Underwood appearing on behalf of Mr. Tyndall. This is the date time set for violation of probation pretrial hearing. The violation of probation was based on failure to report back in September and October and failure to pay court orders, cost and restitution. Let me double check something. And Miss Holly, the $450 in attorney fees was already deducted from the amount owed?
Okay, no, without court appointed fees, it is 1188 on the 27 file. So it's 1188 on, yeah, it's 1188 on the 27 file and 198 on the 17 file.
198 on the 17 file. All right, so Ms. Underwood, I am very well aware of the fact that Mr. Tyndall was not able to make payments for a period of time due to certain circumstances. So I fully understand that. So, you know, at this point, we need payments. I'm not sure if he's cleared to go back to work after what occurred. So do you need a breakout room with him, or have you already spoke with him?
Yes, please, Your Honor.
Okay, so Mr. Tyndall, I am going to open up a breakout room and Miss Underwood is going to join you in that breakout room. As you might have heard, we reduced the amount you owed because we do not assess attorney fees anymore. So go ahead and join that breakout room and speak with Miss Underwood. I have a search warrant I just sent to Becky, so I'm gonna go grab that just so I can sign it. You're okay. All right, hold on, Miss Underwood. I'm back. And Mr. Tyndall's back. All right, so Miss Underwood, how would you like to proceed today on behalf of Mr. Tyndall?
Your Honor, Mr. Tyndall is cleared to work. He has his birth certificate, which will allow him flexibility in filling out applications. I would ask the court respectfully to adjourn this matter for 1 month, giving Mr. Tyndall he thinks he can have a job within a week, Your Honor, and start making payments. So I think a month's adjournment, we should see if we make some headway.
I'm kind of filling up, so how about March 5 at 8:30?
I'm sorry?
March 5 at 8:30.
Thank you.
All right, so Mr. Tyndall, I'm glad you're able to work again.
Yes, ma'am.
We've reduced this quite a bit, so I really think you could knock this out fairly quickly, what you owe, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Just a
All right.
reminder, his discharge is this next August.
Okay, all right.
Okay.
So, yep, so we gotta hustle on that, all right, Mr. Tyndall?
Yes, ma'am. Thank you guys so much.
All right, thank you.
That's all I had.
Okay, thanks. All right, so that's Miss Holly, so if this. All right, we did Christina Edmonds. I have Adam 9 in the jail. All right, Mr. 9, good morning. Thank you for your patience this morning. We were down several attorneys, so it was taking a little bit longer. So this is in the matter of the people of the state of Michigan versus Adam Matthew 9, file number 24-22018FH. Ms. Underwood, this is the date and time scheduled for the first pretrial in this matter. So how would you like to proceed today, Ms. Underwood?
Your Honor, we would ask respectfully for a second pretrial. I believe Mr. 9 is complying with what he's required to do, and we will respectfully request another pretrial in this matter.
Okay. So, March 12 at 8:30 in the morning?
That's fine, Your Honor. Thank you.
All right, Mr. 9, I'm going to set this over to March 12 at 8:30 in the morning. Ms. Underwood, you would do the step in order to adjourn for us, please?
With Mr. Sneed's permission.
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, thank you very much. All right, Mr. 9, we will see you back on that day. Thank you.
Thank you, Your
Mr.
Honor.
9, give me a
Yes.
call.
Absolutely.
Thank you.
Thank you.
All right, Ms. Underwood, I do believe that concludes my docket with you this morning. Thank you.
We aren't going to have Mr. Montemayor at all.
You adjourned it to January 22nd.
Right. Okay.
Yep.
Thank you.
Okay. Thank you. All right, Mr. Glazier, I do have the jail. So Mr. Collins, if you are in that jail Zoom room, I've sent your request to start your video. Excellent. Okay, so this is in the matter of the people of the state of Michigan versus Darius Dwayne Collins Jr. File number 24-22082FH. I have John Glazier appearing on behalf of Mr. Collins. I'm sorry. And I have Isaac Sneed appearing on behalf of the people. This is the date time set for a pretrial conference in this matter. I have a letter dated January 13th from Darren Coast Pretrial Services Coordinator, and says that on January 8th, Mr. Collins had a urine test and an oral swab. He was positive for methamphetamine, THC, and cocaine. He admitted to using all three substances. He's currently living with his mother. He is not working. While he was out, he wasn't following his probation terms with Ms. Teskey, and he wouldn't drug test for me. And so he feels that he is a risk to reoffend until he's screened for services. And Mr. Coast obviously is quite willing to help Mr. Collins with services. So, Mr. Glazier, how would you like to proceed today on behalf of Mr. Collins?
I need to speak with him.
All right, so Mr. Collins, I'm going to open up a breakout room, and I'm going to assign you to that breakout room with Mr. Glazier. And you can go ahead and join it and go talk to your attorney. Today's National Bagel Day.
Baked day?
Hmm?
Baked day?
Bagel.
Oh, bagel.
I think it's like Sierra's favorite food pyramid is bagels. So sounds like a Panera Day. Okay. Email the search warrant to myself.
Gotta quit.
I don't know about that. Okay. Signed up for Red Note and I'm getting all notifications to set up my account. You can't take my TikTok away from me. All right, we're back on the record. Mr. Glazier, have you had a chance to speak with Mr. Collins?
I have, Your Honor.
And how would you like to proceed today with Mr. Collins?
On the contempt of court, he's gonna plead guilty, Your Honor, on the possession of meth. I don't know what did you offer on that, Isaac? Can I speak with Isaac for a second, I guess?
Sure, I'm gonna put Mr. Sneed and Mr. Glazier into a breakout room. So give me just a second. And Mr. Collins, you will wait here for a minute. So I'm gonna open that breakout room, gentlemen.
Hey Darius, do you currently have health insurance, Medicaid, or
Yeah.
what insurance do you have?
I forgot what it was called.
Meridian?
Is it
No,
private insurance
I
or
think it's Priority Health.
no, is that through your mother?
No, it's from the state.
Okay.
All right, I have Mr. Glazier and Mr. Sneed back. So give me 1 second. I'm gonna do this. Okay. All right, so I can write this down. So, Mr. Glazier, I know you said he would plead to the contempt of court today. I also would say, I actually have the forensic fluids laboratories. Mr. Coast, those were really high levels, right?
For the meth, yes, Judge.
Because it was like 624.4 nanograms per milliliter.
That's correct. Yeah, that's pretty high.
Okay, which is why I remanded that day and did not proceed with the hearing. All right, so Mr. Glazier, is there a plea offer?
Yeah, on the other charge, Your Honor, he's gonna plead to possession of meth. And they're gonna dismiss the habitual offender that charges him as a third felon. The agreement is that he was supposed to have been screened for drug court. I don't know if that ever occurred, but we need to screen him for drug court. And if he gets into drug court and successfully completes it, then the matter would be dismissed at the time that he completes the drug court. If for some reason he can't get into drug court, we're going to work out something where he gets into a long-term inpatient program and completes his probation, and then it would be dismissed. But everything.
Ms. Teskey, have we received a referral?
He was screened for drug court in the past and declined it. So
Well,
yes, he was screened and declined it. He said he didn't have a substance abuse problem and didn't need it. So
So is
then
he
he was
asking-
sentenced to regular probation. And he continues to be on regular probation with me currently while he's using. So, and I mean, screening
So
him
is
again is
he-
kind of an exercise of futility unless he's changed his mind about his addiction.
So, Mr. Collins, do you wish to be screened for recovery court?
Yes.
Okay. So, Ms. Teskey, he is asking to be screened. And Mr. Glazier, did you submit a request for that?
I think I did.
All right, so we will screen him. All right, so he's gonna plead guilty to the contempt of court for testing positive and failing to, I think it was that, and failure to report for drug testing. And then he's going to plead guilty to count 1, possession of methamphetamine, which carries a maximum penalty of up to 10 years in prison and or a $15,000 fine. And his habitual offender third offense notice would be dismissed. And he doesn't have any prior drug charges as a felon. So, all right. So, Mr. Collins, you want to raise your right hand? Yep. Do you solemnly swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
Okay. So, Mr. Collins, those rooms are kind of weird, the audio in them. So I just need you to make sure you speak loudly for me, okay?
Okay.
All right. So, Mr. Collins, you've heard the statement of your attorney and the prosecuting attorney. Is it your intention today to plead guilty to the show cause as well as plead guilty to possession of methamphetamine, which carries a maximum penalty of up to 10 years in prison?
Yes.
Okay, and you understand your attorneys asking you to be screened for recovery court, and a lot of your sentence is dependent upon successful completion of recovery court. Do you understand that?
Yes.
Now, I would say as the recovery court judge, it's a great program, and I don't say that just because I'm one of the team members on it, but I would tell you it's very intensive. It works with your family, it works with you, and I have seen people conquer things that I just didn't think possible. So it's a great program. So is it your intention then to, if you're screened and admissible, to enter that program?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. Now, are you satisfied with Mr. Glazier as your attorney and the advice that he has given you?
Yes.
Do you understand the maximum penalty for the contempt of court could be up to 93 days in jail?
Yes.
All right. Neither the prosecutor, the defendant, or anyone on the defendant's behalf has discussed a possible sentence with the court. And I forgot to add, the agreement is that if he successfully completes recovery court and probation, the charge would be dismissed at the end of that term.
That's correct, Your Honor. I think the procedure is we file a stipulation to withdraw the plea and dismiss the case.
Okay, so do you understand that, Mr. Collins?
Yes.
Okay, great. So other than that, though, neither the prosecutor, the defendant, nor anyone on the defendant's behalf has discussed a possible sentence with the court. Is that correct, Mr. Glazier?
That's correct, Your Honor.
Is that correct, Mr. Sneed?
Yes, thank you.
All right, good. Is that correct as far as you're aware, Mr. Collins?
Yes.
All right. If a guilty plea is accepted, there will be no trial. This means that you will be giving up rights you would have had at trial. I'm going to explain those rights to you now to make sure that you understand them. You have a right to a speedy public trial by jury. You may ask for a non-jury trial, and if the prosecutor and court agree, you can have a non-jury trial. You have the right to be presumed innocent until proven guilty beyond a reasonable doubt. You have the right to have the prosecuting attorney prove beyond a reasonable doubt that you are guilty, and you do not have to prove anything. You have the right to be present at trial and have witnesses against you appear at your trial and to ask those witnesses questions. You have the right to have the court order any witnesses you have for your defense to appear at the trial. You have the right to remain silent during your trial and not to have your silence used against you. However, you also have the right to testify at your trial if you want to testify. Do you understand that if your plea is accepted, you may be giving up the right to appeal issues that would otherwise be appealable if you were convicted at trial? Do you understand that, Mr. Collins?
Yes.
Do you understand that any appeal from the conviction and sentence pursuant to the plea will be by application for leave to appeal and not by right? Do you understand that?
Yes.
If you are not a citizen of the United States of America, a conviction of a crime may result in deportation, exclusion from admission to the United States of America, or denial of naturalization. Do you have any questions about the rights that I've given you?
No.
Okay, so Mr. Collins, how do you plead on the contempt of court that you failed to drug test 2 times a week as required and that you admitted to using cocaine on December 17th of 24? Guilty or not guilty?
Guilty.
All right, and Mr. Collins, how do you plead to the charge that on or about October 25 of 2024 in the city of Adrian in the county of Lenawee that you did commit the offense of controlled substance possession of methamphetamine? Guilty or not guilty?
Guilty.
Has anyone made any threats or promises to you to induce you to plead guilty to this charge?
No.
Do you understand if I accept this plea, you will be giving up any and all claims that your plea is given as a result of promises or threats that were not disclosed to the court on the record during this hearing, or that it was not your own choice to enter the plea? Do you understand that?
Yes.
Is the prosecutor or defense counsel aware of any promises or threats or inducements other than the plea bargain to induce the defendant to plead guilty? Mr. Glazier?
No, Your Honor.
Mr. Sneed?
No, Your Honor.
All right. Has your attorney promised you any particular sentence or estimated what your sentence will be other than what was placed on the record, Mr. Collins?
No, ma'am.
Is it your own choice to plead guilty?
Yes.
All right. So, Mr. Collins, you were placed on bond, and one of the terms of your bond conditions is that you were to test according to calling in and checking on colors. Is that correct?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, and during that time period in December to beginning of January, were you testing twice a week as you were required?
No, ma'am.
All right, and then in fact, you admitted to using cocaine and tested positive on December 17th of 24, is that right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, then on October 25 of 2024, were you in the city of Adrian in the county of Lenawee?
Yes.
All right, and at that time, did you have in your possession methamphetamine?
Excuse me. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, and you knew it was methamphetamine?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, and you had no legal right to possess it, is that correct?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. Okay, Mr. Sneed, are you satisfied?
Yes, thank you, Your Honor.
All right, has the court complied with MCR 6.302 B, C, and D? Mr. Glazier?
Yes, Your Honor.
Mr. Sneed?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, I accept the plea. It has been given understandably, voluntarily, and accurately. The defendant has full knowledge of his rights. he does have competent counsel. This court has made no agreement. I'm sorry, did somebody say something?
Yeah, I had a question. Ms. Teskey sent me a thing, whether I need to send in a formal request. I thought we had done that on the 12th and sent a letter asking him to be screened. Do we need to do something else, Sarah?
No, John, you sent it to me?
I thought we did. But I got a note in my file to have him screened for drug court. I don't know if it got done or not. Do you need something? I guess is what I'm asking.
No, I just need a formal referral. If I didn't get that, John.
I don't know what a formal referral is. Isn't that just
Like
a
your-
letter?
Your office,
Sarah,
all right,
like
you
yours-
guys, Mr. Everybody stop. Mr. Glazier, your office has a form, they do.
Okay.
Have a formal referral sent over to, it goes to Teresa Rubley or Miss Teskey.
Sarah Fox knows about those.
All right. Well, I hope Leo does because I know it's going to Leo. Could
I know,
speak
but
with-
we've been doing it for a while, John. So, okay. So can I continue now? All right.
Yeah.
So, he does have competent counsel. This court has made no agreement regarding the possibility of a plea or possible sentence in this case with the prosecutor, the defense attorney, the defendant, or anyone acting in the interest of either of them. I'm going to refer this matter to the probation department for a pre-sentence investigation. And I am going to set it for my first available, which is February 28th at 8:30 in the morning. Obviously, Mr. Collins, if you are screened and approved for recovery court, Ms. Teskey has authority to, allow you to go to inpatient program or anything else. She will work with Mr. Coast. As you're out on, you have a bond at this point. I am not going to release you at this point just because of your failure to comply with bond conditions and your continued drug use. And your prior, you didn't show up for a hearing. And then you're getting credit for time served anyway. So we will see you back for sentencing on February 28th at 8:30. Ms. Teskey is going to come over. Someone is going to come over and screen you for recovery court. Be truthful with them. It's imperative that you be truthful with them about your addiction issues. I mean, Mr. Collins, if this conviction stays on your record, you're going to have a fourth offense notice, and any felony after that, that's over a 4 or 5 year felony, will result in a life prison term. This isn't what you want. I mean, Mr. Collins, you have a lovely family. You're a smart guy. You have such great potential. So I suggest that you truly embrace it. Obviously, if he's eligible for some kind of treatment program, Ms. Teskey can refer him and we can release to that. What were you going to say, Mr. Glazier?
I just needed to speak with him for a second, if I could, in a breakout.
Of course. So, Mr. Collins, otherwise, we'll see you back on February 28th at 8:15 in the morning. All right, Mr. Collins?
You said February 28th, right?
Yes. All right, I'm gonna open up the breakout room and put you and Mr. Glazier in it. I will be starting another hearing. So Mr. Glazier and Mr. Collins, when you're done, just disconnect and go on your way. All right?
All right. Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you.
You're welcome. All right, there you go, Mr. Collins. And Mr. Sneed, I do believe that concludes our docket this morning.
Have a good morning, Judge. Thanks.
You too. Bye. Thank you, Ms. Teskey.
Thank you, Judge.
Thank you. All right, Mr. Brooks, on your matter with OSERS, I'm going to step off the bench for a moment, take my criminal files back, and then